How to use Chat. To use ChatGPT, you can type your question or statement in the chat box and press enter or send. ChatGPT will analyze your input and generate a response based on its training and knowledge. You can have a conversation with ChatGPT by continuing to ask follow-up questions or providing more information. Here are some tips for getting the most out of your interaction with ChatGPT. Be clear and concise in your questions or statements. Provide as much context as possible to help ChatGPT better understand your inquiry. Ask follow-up questions to clarify or expand on a topic. If you're not satisfied with ChatGPT's response, try rephrasing your question or providing more information. Be patient. ChatGPT is an AI language model and may take some time to generate a response. Remember that ChatGPT is a language model and doesn't have emotions or personal experiences, so it may not always provide the best or most accurate response to your inquiry. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more such videos.